This is a bottle leak test chamber manufactured by Burhani Engineering Technology for vacuum leak test for rigid bottles, containers and caps for leaks following ASTM D4991 international standards. The objective of this video is to provide a clear understanding of this D4991 ASTM method used in testing of rigid bottles in pharma, healthcare, personal care, and beauty, sports and fitness, food and beverage and household items. The equipment needed for test. 1. Various test bottles. 2. Vacuum leak test chamber as per ASTM D4991. Did you know? Boiling point of water at 979 millibar is 26 degrees Celsius. As per guidelines of ASTM D4991, 50% of ethylene glycol is mixed with water for accuracy and test results. Pre-test. Create vacuum of -950 millibar in empty chamber for 10 minutes. Test method. Place the bottle inside the chamber and close the lid. Apply vacuum of -950 millibar for 10 to 30 minutes. Detecting bubbles in bottles may suggest a gas leak, often caused by a faulty seal or a defect in the bottle itself. Leak detection is crucial for ensuring product safety, quality, and shelf life. In the food industry, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics and personal care, chemical industry, automotive industry, healthcare and veterinary and household products.
So what to do if there is a leak? 1. Check plastic quality. 2. Adjust temperature. 3. Perform maintenance of sealing jaws. 4. Clean jaws for dust particles. Leak-free packaging is essential to ensure the safety of the products inside. For food and pharmaceuticals, even a small leak can lead to contamination, spoilage, or exposure to harmful bacteria.